This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am on the Norwegian Aqua, and we are going to do a room tour of 14736, which is a family balcony. When you come in, you do have to put a card in to be able to keep the lights on. So first, here is an open closet. Now we have all of our stuff stored because we just got on board, so we've not unpacked, but this does not have a sliding door or anything. That is left open. This side, however, does. It has 2 sliding doors. We have some baskets down there. And this comes down, so you have an additional shelf. On the other side, you have a mirror, a small mirror, more hanger space, the safe, and then more of the baskets. Over here we have the bathroom, which is incredibly spacious for a just regular balcony room. The bathroom is great. So it kind of opens slightly inside, not all the way out. Shampoo and body wash. And then you do have some space down there. And more space down there. What is this? Oh, you have a drawer. I didn't see that earlier. So that is nice. And then shelves up here. So lots of storage. Okay. This room, I believe, sleeps 4. I will double check, but I'm pretty sure that that comes out into a bed. We're going to check it after I get done making my video. You do have several hanging areas up here, which is great. We have our beds apart, but they can be together if you're wanting to share the bed with someone. Balcony. Oh, they do have a lock. I know families with kids like to know that it might be harder for kids to get out. Sometimes it's even hard for adults to get out. And I will say, this is a little tight when the beds are apart. It's a pretty tight squeeze back here. And there is this little opening right here that I just noticed. But we're in New York. It is April 7th, 2025, and the ship just arrived to the US. This is an inaugural preview to see the ship. Nice size. I like these chairs. Nice size balcony, nice comfy chairs. View of the city. So let's look. We are covered. So way up here, there's really nothing blocking your view below or above. That is it. Norwegian Aqua. I think it is a B4 category as of right now, and a family balcony.